Hi, I am Imal Aswath. Find the particular solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus secant square x into y equal to tan x secant square x, given that y of 0 equal to 0. Y of 0 equal to 0. So this is a CBSE 2023 question. What is the differential equation dy by dx plus secant square x, y equal to tan x secant square x? So this is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. This is of the form. Here this is the equation. So this is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. What is the equation? What is the equation of this one is y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. This is the solution of this equation. So first here, what is you have to compare by comparing this equation? What you get? P equal to secant square x and q equal to tan x secant square x. So tan x secant square x. Now first we have to find the integrating factor. Integrating factor is e power integral p dx. This is the integrating factor here. So that is equal to e power, what is p? P equal to secant square x. So integral secant square x dx. So what is the integral secant square x? That is tan x. So e power tan x. So now you have to apply here y into e power tan x equal to integral, what is q? Tan x secant square x. Next into what is integrating factor? E power tan x, then plus dx into dx plus c. This is the solution of this equation. So first we have to find the integration. Put tan x equal to t. Tan x equal to t. So secant square x dx equal to dt. Secant square x dx equal to dt. Therefore here I applied here, that is integral t. Next e power t, then secant square x dx equal to dt. T e power t dt. Now we have to, that is here, that is uv method, that is u equal to t. So u equal to t, v equal to integral e power t, that is e power t is e power t. So e power t minus v du, integral v is e power t, then du dt, e power t dt. So that becomes t e power t minus e power t. So what you get is you have to take e power t outside, therefore t minus 1. So e power, what is t? E power, what is t? E power tan x into tan x minus 1. Therefore substituting, what you get is y into e power tan x equal to e power tan x into tan x minus 1, then plus c. So always it is given that y of 0 equal to 0. That means x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, y is also equal to 0. It is given. Therefore you have to substitute for the what these values are given is to find the value of c. So x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Therefore 0, e power 0, tan 0, e power 0 is 1. Therefore here tan 0, that is minus 1. So minus 1 plus c, minus 1 plus c equal to 0. So c equal to minus 1 plus c equal to 0. Therefore c equal to 1. Substituting c equal to 1 here, what you get is the solution is y into e power tan x equal to e power tan x into tan x minus 1 plus 1. This is the particular solution of the differential equation. Particular solution means you have to remove the arbitrary values. You have to remove the arbitrary constant. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.